Today, we are going to look at some of the noises that animals make. For example, what is this sound called? You got it! It's barking. Bark is what the sound a dog makes. Great job, everyone. Let's take a look at some of these other sounds. Yes, great job. Well done. Roar. The sound a lion makes is roaring. Now, you got it again. Well done. Grunt. A pig makes the sound of grunting. Well done, everyone. Hiss. Excellent. A snake says hiss. Bzz, bzz, bzz. Bee says buzz. The sound a bee makes is buzzing. Great job, everyone. And now, rivet, rivet. Well done, frog. Excellent work, everyone. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. I'm excited to see you next time. Goodbye and thank you.